Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is saffron by the brand Everest. So let's get started. This one is 0.5 gram pack, MRP is 210, but we got it from Amazon for 170 rupees and it has a 12 months of shelf life. And it comes packed in a small transparent box. The packaging is quite beautiful. Look, the saffron strands are clearly visible in it. So this is the Everest product and the brand claim that they give you hand-picked saffron from the valley of Jammu and Kashmir. The saffron color is vibrant red with some orange yellowish end, and the pack says it's completely pure. There is no artificial color or flavor in it. Now let's see how to use it. You soak 4-5 strands in little warm milk or water for 10 minutes and then you add this to your kheer, biryani or dessert. Look, the color turned rich golden and there is a subtle pleasant bitterness in the taste that comes from the saffron. I mostly use it for desserts and sweet. Positives, the saffron aroma and color are great. The packaging is also nice. Negative, I just felt it's a bit expensive. So that's all for today's video. I hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.